Welcome! Today we're doing My City by Better Oblivion Community Center. It's a funky one, but that's what you have me for. First of all, it's in drop D, which means your top string is tuned down to a D, which happens to be the same note as the third string, just one octave lower. Second of all, we have the capo on the 8th fret, which is pretty far down, I know. And then third of all, some of the chords and notes played in this song sound out of key, and that's because they are, and they're weird. But if you focus on the top strings, it'll sound okay. I've gone through the recordings and the tabs, and this is what Phoebe and Connor are playing. It just sounds a little bad if you strum out the entire chord. Okay, on to the verse. Okay, so for the verse, we have the signature riff that you hear when you turn on the song, and this is just repeating through the whole verse, and it sounds like this. Okay, what we got going on down here is our middle finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, and our ring finger on the 4th fret of the 3rd string from the top. It sounds like this. Bad, I know, but we're only hearing this on like the downstroke a little bit. And for the riff, we're doing is hitting the top string, then hitting the 2nd string open as well, and then hammering on. So it's like 1, 2, 3, hammer. What you're hearing there is me going back and forth with the pick, and then coming off of the 2nd string. And we're hammering on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. And that's that sound. When you do that, try to incorporate more of the strings into it to get a bigger sound. You hear what I'm doing? Okay, on to the chorus. Okay, so for the first chorus, we're adding 2 new shapes. So this up until now, we've been playing the riff. Looking out on the river, blah, blah, blah. And then while he's doing the riff, he's going to say, I. So, I loved. So that's going into the chorus. When he does that, he hammers down, or he bars with his 4-finger, all the strings. But he keeps these bottom 2 in the same place. So, I loved you. That's 8 strums. Then he does this shape. I tore you out. And they go back to the riff. So this shape down here is your ring finger on the top string, 5th fret from the capo, your pinky finger on the 2nd string, 5th fret from the capo, your middle finger on the 4th string, 4th fret from the capo, and pointer finger on the 3rd string, or on the 5th string, 3rd fret from the capo. I know it sounds a little weird. We already been through this. Then we go back to the riff. I miss you. And then you do it again. Where are you now? Cool. That's the first chorus. Second chorus, we get another chord shape added on top of that for when they do the really long, drawn-out extra experience where it's like camouflage. So that is wear your smile. So the same thing as before, smile like this. But instead of going to this one, they go to this. Camouflage. That is your ring finger on the top string, 1st fret from the body of the guitar. Your middle finger on the 2nd string from the top, 6th fret from the capo, and then your pointer finger on the 4th string from the top, 5th fret from the capo. Another nasty chord. So we're doing that for 8 strums. Then to the one from before, and then back to the riff. Chasing love like an And that's the whole song. Congratulations. You did it. I did it. We all got through that. Please consider subscribing if you got some value out of this video. Give it a like or something at least. Maybe comment what you want done. If you hate those mainstream guitar tutorialists who did not do this song and made me do this song, please send the little guy some support. And have a great day.